Do you think you're eating clean, but some of the foods that you maybe think are clean are actually filled with toxic food additives and hidden toxins? In fact, over 10,000 chemical additives are actually approved in the US food and many disrupt detoxification. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say I went to school so you don't have to, and I combine science with spirit. So, all this month, we're talking about toxic food additives and how to spot them before they sabotage your healing. So, some of the common culprits you may be aware of or not aware of are your food dyes, your additives, like your red 40, your yellow 5. Those are actually neurotoxins, so they can affect your brain. So, if you have, let's say, ADD, ADHD, or any of those types of neurodivergent symptoms, it's best that you eliminate those. Also, seed oils. Those are your canola oils, your vegetable oils. All of those can create inflammation, which can make things like arthritis or rheumatoid arthritis much worse. Also, you have your preservatives, like your BHAs or your BHTs, which are hormone disruptors or endotoxins, which can affect your endocrine system. We want real detox foods. So, what are those? Those are things like your greeneries, your kales, your collards, your crucifers, like your broccolis, your whole fiber, and living enzymes. So, reading labels is actually a detox habit, it's not a trend. So, we want to be more conscious and more mindful and more intentional with what we're putting in your body. Also, our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2 class is underway where we learn all this information about detoxification, and I teach you how to shop, cook, and track your clean eating, healthy lifestyle. And right now, for a limited time, if you pay for Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, I throw in Intro to Holistic Medicine 1, which is all about nutrient deficiencies. And remember, we're combining science and spirit, so we look at subjective data, which is what the patient tells us. We use questionnaires combined with objective data, some sort of testing metric outside of me, outside of you. So, also, if you want to comment below, what detoxification foods or what food additives have you removed from your diet to help your body heal naturally?